Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with a unique machine that promises versatility and dual color capabilities. It's the LotMaxx Shark V3. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The LotMaxx Shark V3 boasts a striking design that resembles something out of a comic book superhero lab. With its dual-color hot end and included laser engraver, it offers a range of creative possibilities. The printer's 2-to-1 hot end design sets it apart from others in the market. It combines two sets of extruder gears and Bowden tubes into one Y-shaped hot end, eliminating calibration issues. However, a purge tower is still needed for color swaps. The included laser engraver is a neat addition. But it's worth noting that it has basic software and limited safety precautions. It's more suitable for occasional engraving projects rather than serious laser work. Priced at $359, the Shark V3 certainly catches the eye with its intriguing design. However, its limitations and difficulties in using modern MMU files may dampen its creative potential compared to other 3D printers on the market. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to build and maintain your printer. It's recommended for beginners, but experienced users may want to transfer the start and end G-codes to their preferred slicer. Assembling the Shark V3 is straightforward, although the wiring could be better illustrated. Bed leveling is a breeze with the auto bed leveling sensor, but manual adjustment is required initially. The printer's dual extruders, filament runout sensors, and easy filament loading make it convenient for two-color printing. LotMaxx Slicer offers settings to control extruders individually, providing flexibility for your prints. The Shark V3 handles various test prints with decent quality. The Shark V3's low-power laser can engrave materials like wood, leather, and paper, but it's not suitable for cutting. The laser software is basic, and the manual lacks clear instructions on focusing. It requires careful handling, and eye protection is a must. Always ensure proper ventilation and never leave the laser unattended. In conclusion, the LotMaxx Shark V3 is a solid dual-color 3D printer with auto bed leveling and decent print quality. Its unique features and design make it appealing. But the glass bed can be challenging to manage, and the laser module has its limitations. If you're looking for a safer and more powerful 3D printer, the Snapmaker Artisan with its enclosed build volume is worth considering. And for those solely interested in lasers, the Creality Laser Falcon offers more power. That wraps up our review of the LotMaxx Shark V3. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.